Welcome back to the Pink Envelope. I'm doing a comparison video. I have two period subscription boxes that I want to share with you guys. And the reason I want to share them with you is because I have gone through several different period subscription boxes, and these are my two favorite. I know the cover photo probably looks like it's a challenge, but actually I love both of these boxes, but they are very different. So I want to share them both with you so you can take a peek into what they offer. I like them for me personally. It's just a fun little gift to get in the mail. It supplies products that I need anyways. But I have a 10 going on 11-year-old. And so I've been looking for something that is a fun way to, I don't know, like make that time a little more fun. Like all of us girls go through it. It is just a part of life. And I don't want it to be painted in a light that is like this cumbersome pain in the booty type thing. Although it is, I want her to have some encouragement behind it. So I've been kind of looking for things that send a myriad of like gifts and sweets, and these two do the very best job of that. So let's just start with Rose War Panty Power, and then we can bounce over to Dot Boxx. I'm not opening these in any particular order. They both are amazing. So Rose War Panty Power is $37.50 per month with free US shipping. It is monthly, but if you want to use code PINK50, you get 50% off your first box, and that makes it only $19 including shipping. Pretty awesome. And it comes with period products, undies, snacks, beauty, lifestyle, and more. So let me show you what I mean. This is the December box, so it shouldn't be spoiling anything, but either way, I think we kind of know what's gonna come in here. So the December box, here is a coupon code for products. Oh my gosh, that is freaking adorable. Look at the little Santa Clauses. Usually after Christmas, I'm like super over Christmas stuff, but that is freaking cute. Okay, so here's what I love about this box. It comes with organic tampons, which are great, and it comes in a myriad of sizes, and it comes with pads, organic pads in a myriad of sizes. And so my first month of subscribing, this wasn't enough product to get through the month, but I used more of some than I did the others. Then when I got my second box, it kind of made a good match. And by my third box, this has been enough product to get me through. So it definitely builds upon itself, because you know, sometimes like there's just one thin liner here and there's several large. Sometimes I need a bunch of the thin and only one of these. And then other times I need a bunch of these and only one of these. So it really does, after a few months, really kind of balance itself out where I was not purchasing any more feminine products. It also comes with undies. I love that. I mean, hopefully this is a safe space to talk pretty candidly, but you know, it's that time of the month. I have really, really heavy flows. And so honestly, sometimes night times are kind of brutal. And after a while, some of my undies just get dingy and I don't want them around anymore, and I don't want to wear them. It's not attractive. So by getting two pair of undies in my boxes, it's been really easy to throw away the ones that are old or stretched out or stained or whatever. And so in this one, here is a pair of these pink, is it Bebe? How do you say it? It's a brand. I don't shop there, although man, these underwear are extremely soft and I love the color. And then this one is just a cotton underwear that says Romantic Friday. That's cute. I mean, certain times of the month, I find this saying a little ironic for the box. I would not say at the time that I'm eating this box, it's a very romantic Friday, but all the other Fridays could be romantic. But yet two pair of undies, and they've been practical good undies, like ones you can really wear. That is something I appreciate. Also in here is a tropical natural scalp treatment. Shake well before you use, apply directly to scalp and massage with fingertips. I love doing this before shampooing my hair. It is a great way to just prep your scalp for shampoo and like breakup stuff. It's really pretty too. So here's the box. Let me see if it smells good. Oh, it's sealed. I don't want to pull the seal on it just in case I can't use it with my curly girl. I need to look up the products. So there's this guy. I do say on here that it has peppermint essential oil, so I can guarantee you it smells amazing. In the Christmas box, we've got a pair of Christmas socks that are really stinking cute. If you were going to a Christmas sweater party at somebody's house, this would be perfect to wear because they look like Christmas sweater socks. Like, can you see this like 3D right here? Love, love those. Nuria Calm Facial Mist. Oh, it's a vegan, clean beauty, cruelty-free, naturally fragranced spray for your skin. Love that. You know what I've been doing is taking these and spritzing my sheets with them. I can't promise it's not going to leave like a stain, but it never has for me. And I don't mind spritzing things on my face, but I love spritzing them on my pillow and on my sheets. And these typically work really, really well to do that. Then we have a Pure Organics fruit bar. These are actually really good. An Almond Joy, a York Peppermint. Ooh, who puts these in the refrigerator? Put a York Peppermint in the refrigerator and then eat, or the freezer. So good. There's a Twix, and then there's Salty Girl Beauty, a bath salt. Love this. Once again, it's clean beauty products made with organic ingredients, vegan, gluten-free, cruelty-free, all those good things. And there is Stall Mates Good to Go Flushable Wet Wipes. These are great too, especially when you're first starting off on that whole learning how to handle your cycle. These are great to keep in your purse or backpack. So let me recap. This is only $37.50 with shipping and everything. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 lifestyle items, plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tampons, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pads. So great option. Love the way they present things. Love that the price point is achievable and that it comes with so many lifestyle products. On the other side of this is Dot Boxx. Dot Boxx is a monthly subscription as well. It is $39.99, and if you use the code PINK, you get 10% off your first box. And it is a monthly self-care package for women of all ages. Enjoy personal care goods by women-owned businesses, plus snacks. You can add on period essentials for just $3. So in this box, you do not get tampons and pads like you do in this one. This one is everything to take care and treat yourself each month without the tampons and pads. And so part of me was thinking, would this be a cool box to gift, like when you know your kiddo is getting really close to that time of the month and like getting close to walking into that stage, and they get the Dot Boxx just full of fun stuff, and then you add on this period essentials later? I don't know. Just been thinking about that a lot lately with a 10-year-old. This is also the Christmas box, so you don't have to worry about me spoiling much. So inside here, it has what's in the box. They do not send the same things in every single box. So if you look here, you'll see that it says a comfy graphic top or a fleece lap throw. So there is variety in this box, which I love because it's curated a little bit more. On top is a Dulce de Leche organic lip balm, and it's vegan. That's fun. It's winter. You can always use chapstick during the winter. So that you guys could see what her period products look like, she included for me tampons and pads. And this will kind of give you a concept for what she has. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 organic cotton tampons. And then she has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pads in here. So that is what her feminine products look like. Let's get this over a little bit because there's a lot in this box to show you guys. And then there is a pair of cowl socks. These are really, really, really cute. My oldest is going to love these. She likes animal print, anything and everything. Tea time with Shauna. Everything to make your own tea. Oh yeah, I can open it. So it has the steeper thing. Is that what it's called? Steep. The thing you put in the water to make the tea. And then it has the tea here, and on the front is the instructions on how to make the tea. In this box, y'all are probably getting sick of hearing me say this, I got this linen spray by Shauna, and it is absolutely amazing. I think it came in my very first Dot Boxx. It's my, oh my gosh, this tea smells amazing. I went like this and I caught the scent. Oh my gosh. Hold on, let's segue the segue. Sweet apple and cinnamon, like a freshly baked pie. That's exactly what this smells like. Oh my gosh, it smells like dessert. Super just distracted myself. Back to what I was saying, I got the best linen spray ever in my first Dot Boxx by Shauna, and I swear by it. It literally, one spritz and the whole linens smell amazing, and it holds the scent. And it, a little bit goes a long way, but it's not overly strong. You're not like overwhelmed. It is just like the most cozy feeling. It's like a part of my ritual. I put my sleep cap on, I spritz the bed, and then I lay down. My husband makes fun of me, but it's wonderful. Bobo's chocolate chip. That looks freaking amazing. Can I eat this? Please say I can eat this. Dairy-free, soy-free, and gluten-free. Oh my gosh. This looks so good. Oh my gosh, there's a bunch in here. Okay, we got a mug to go with our tea. This is what happens. We own, I don't know how many big scissors, but the kids take their little kid scissors, put them in my drawer, and take my big scissors, as if like that's a good substitute, or I don't know. I mean, I guess I'm glad they didn't leave me with nothing, but where are my adult scissors? Oh, it's so cute. It says Homebody on it. It's a beautiful navy colored mug. And inside there is a, oh my gosh, a brownie single ooey gooey chocolate overload fudge brownie. Pour mix into a mug, add 3 tablespoons of water, microwave for 90 seconds, and eat. Oh my gosh, this looks so stinking good. Let's see. Ah, it contains wheat. Okay, I can't eat it, but my husband will, or my kiddos will. Love that, and it looks delicious. There is a Luna Blueberry Bliss Bar. These are amazing. Whoops, I accidentally just opened it. Mosaic Organic Popped Veggie and Potato Chip in the flavor salsa. Those look good. Let's see. Oh, certified gluten-free. Okay, let's try it. I accidentally opened it, so might as well eat it, right? Oh my gosh. Very good. Tastes like salsa. Like, instead of doing the chip and the salsa, you just eat the popped veggie salsa. Oh my gosh. That was really good. Okay. And last but not least, it's a really big item. Oh my gosh, it's a hoodie. It's a hoodie. Oh. I'm in love. This hoodie says Cozy Season, and it is a full out legit hoodie. It's extremely soft and it's perfect. Look at the period. It's a little heart. I love, love, love this. So, okay, you guys, now you're gonna see why I love them both. It definitely is gonna make it hard to choose. I love the value on both. In both boxes, we got our tampons and our pads. In both boxes, we got socks. But in this one, we got a little more of like face care, skin care, bath salts, and undies. And in this one, we got more of a cozy sweater with socks, dessert, and tea. I do have more of these unboxings on the channel. You can go to past hauls. I'll link a couple of the hauls below in the minute markers so you can go check those out. Because if you're like me and you're like, well, I don't know, these are both amazing. Which one should I choose? Maybe watching some of the other unboxings will help you. Or splurge and get both. This one's 50% off for the first box. I mean, you absolutely could afford to try them both and see which one is the best match for you or your kid or your friend or whoever you want to gift this to. It is a win-win. Both women who own both companies are phenomenal. They're super easy to work with. Their websites are wonderful. They're super helpful in every way that they can be. So if you have questions, put them down below. If you subscribe to one of these, Put it down below and tell us what you love about it so that it can help others maybe decide which box is best for them. I highly recommend them both. I give them both a thumbs up. I am working on so many more curated unboxings. I love doing the hauls because I feel like it gives you guys a little taste of multiple things in a shorter, faster video. But I am going to try to niche them out a little bit more so that we have our big monthly hauls. Those are always fun and I want to keep those. But I also want to get more topical based hauls. So if you're just trying to decide between trying to decide on a certain box for a certain genre, maybe this will help you choose. In this case, I love them both and it's a win-win, so there's no wrong answer. But there's going to be others that we do comparisons on that I don't necessarily love them both. So stay tuned for more of those. If you have boxes you want me to compare, like you can't decide which one is better than the other, go down below and grab the link to the exclusive Pink Envelope Facebook group on there. It's called Ask the Pink Envelope. And we are getting in there and I'm really curating my videos to match requests from y'all. If you haven't already, subscribe and like the video. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell if you want the videos to ping and give you a notification. And of course, give this a like and a comment saying hi. I always love seeing you guys hanging out. If you have any questions, let me know. I hope that you have a fabulous, fabulous day. And I'll see you guys later. Bye, y'all.